Hello friends, welcome to Microsoft Access. In this tutorial, we will be learning about database terms. The main element of database is table. A table is a collection of information arranged in rows and columns. The table has a row header that tells you what data is contained in the columns. To view data in a table, click on the arrow. Here you can see the table. When you click on it, it will be opened in the document. Next is query. Queries select one or more table in a database so they can be viewed, analyzed and sorted on a common database. Next is record set. Record set is a table that displays groups of records from a base table or as a query result. Next is form. Form is a graphical interface that is used to display and edit data. Forms can be developed from a table or from a query. Forms can include calculations, graphics, and objects. Next is report. A report is an output of data arranged in the order you specify. Report can perform calculation and display the results. A report can be used to print the data. Click the arrow at the navigation pane and double-click on the report. This was the learning about database terms. Thank you.